Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. I am Shudi Islam Bulbul. Today going to talk about on-page SEO, one of the most important part of SEO. If I want to website to rank higher on Google, you must understand how to SEO work. It's simple but very powerful. Let's learn what it is and why it is matters so much. What is on-page SEO? On-page SEO means improving that content and set up your website pages so that Google can easily understand them. When Google understands your page clearly, it can show your website higher in search result. In short, on-page SEO helps search engine and people both understand your page better. It's like making your website more friendly and clear for everyone. Main element of SEO on-page. There are a few main parts of on-page SEO. Let me explain them simply. Tag title. This is the name of your page. It should include your main keyword and clearly say that your page is about. Meta description. It is the short text found below your title on Google. It helps people decide if they want to click your link URL. Make your page link short and easy to read like www.daraz.com. Heading tag H1, H2, H3. Heading use heading to organize your content. Heading 1 is most important and heading 2 or 3 are subtopics. Internal links at links to other pages from your website. It helps Google and visitor move easily through your site. Images. Use clear images with proper alt text and a small file size. It helps your page load faster. Keywords. Use your main keyword naturally in your text. Don't repeat too much. Write to people fast. When small things together make your page as strong for SEO. Why on-page SEO is important? Now why it is on-page is so important? Because it is your page is not clear or well optimized, Google will not understand it and it won't show up in search result. Good on-page SEO help your website get more traffic, more visitor and more clicks. It's the first step to ranking higher on Google. Conclusion. So to summarize, on-page SEO is the base of all SEO work. Without it, even the best content may be not rank. Always check your title, heading, keywords and images before you publish a post. Keep practicing, keep learning and you will get better every day. Thank you for your watching. Stay positive, stay consistent and never stop improving. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.